Sure, here's a 700-word script about the 2026 Honda Forza 750, written in a natural, engaging tone suitable for a YouTube channel called Bike Reviews, and starting with, Welcome to Bike Reviews. Welcome to Bike Reviews. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting maxi scooters of the year, the 2026 Honda Forza 750. Honda has been dominating the scooter segment for years, and with this new iteration of the Forza 750, they're pushing the limits of performance, comfort, and everyday practicality even further. The 2026 Forza 750 takes everything people loved about its predecessor and refines it. First off, let's talk about design. This scooter looks absolutely premium. The body lines are sharper, more aerodynamic, and sportier than ever. It's got a commanding road presence that makes it feel more like a touring bike than a scooter. Honda has subtly reshaped the front fairing for improved wind deflection and added new LED lighting all around, including a sleeker headlight setup and more modern indicators. The rear end is tighter, cleaner, and features integrated grab rails that double as mounting points for luggage accessories. Now under the bodywork, we have Honda's 745cc parallel twin engine, carried over but slightly refined for better fuel efficiency and smoother torque delivery. It still produces around 58 horsepower and 69 Nm of torque, which makes it feel strong in both city riding and highway cruising. The power delivery is instant thanks to Honda's dual-clutch transmission (DCT), and for 2026, they've tuned the DCT for even smoother gear changes, especially in the lower rev range. Whether you prefer automatic shifting or want to control it manually using the paddle shifters, the experience is seamless. One thing riders will love is how well the Forza 750 handles. It doesn't just ride like a scooter, it corners and brakes like a proper motorcycle. The suspension is composed and handles uneven roads with confidence. The front gets 41mm USD forks, and the rear is supported by a Pro-Link monoshock setup. It feels stable at high speeds but light and flickable in city traffic. With a curb weight of just under 240 kilograms, it's not exactly light, but once you're moving, it carries that weight really well. Braking performance is excellent too. The bike comes with dual front discs with radial-mounted 4-piston calipers and a single rear disc, all backed by dual-channel ABS. Honda's also included a new traction control system with more refined intervention levels. Combined with the ride-by-wire throttle, you get selectable ride modes like Standard, Sport, Rain, and User, allowing you to tweak throttle response, ABS, and traction settings to match your mood or the riding conditions. Moving on to comfort and convenience, this is where the Forza 750 really shines. The seat height is a manageable 790mm, and the footboards give you the flexibility to stretch out on longer rides or stay upright in city traffic. There's a new, more supportive seat for both rider and pillion. Under the seat, you'll find 22 liters of storage, enough for a full-face helmet and a few small items. There's also a glove box with a USB-C charging port, perfect for topping off your phone or GoPro on the go. The dashboard gets a nice upgrade for 2026. It's a 5-inch full-color TFT screen with Honda RoadSync integration. That means you can now pair your smartphone via Bluetooth to access calls, music, and navigation directly from the display. The controls are intuitive and easy to use even with gloves on. It also features a keyless ignition system and a new smart key with more functions, including the ability to unlock the bike and access your compartments without pulling out the fob. Fuel economy is impressive for a bike of this size. You can expect anywhere between 60 to 70 miles per gallon depending on your riding style, which gives it a range of over 250 miles on a single tank. That's perfect for weekend tours or daily commuting without constantly worrying about fuel stops. As for pricing, Honda has managed to keep things competitive. While official prices may vary by region, expect the 2026 Forza 750 to start around the equivalent of $12,000 to $13,000 USD. For everything it offers, performance, technology, storage, and Honda's legendary reliability, it's hard to find a better all-around maxi scooter at this level. So who is the Forza 750 for? If you want a scooter that can handle long-distance touring, carve through traffic, and still turn heads at the cafe, this is it. It's not just a commuter, it's a lifestyle machine. Whether you're an experienced rider looking for something more relaxed, or a scooter enthusiast ready to upgrade, the 2026 Forza 750 deserves your attention. That wraps up today's review. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Forza 750. Would you pick it over a traditional touring bike? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next review. Thanks for watching Bike Reviews. We'll see you on the next ride. Would you like a shorter version or a version tailored for social media?